Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzi bin Abdul Razak. My matrix number is 01dbu200f2027.
Hello, my name is Marafiki Aiman Bewaramizu. My matrix number is 01dpu20f2002.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Fahim Hakimi bin Yazaruddin. My matrix number is 01dpu20f2029.
Today, I will introduce you about differentiation. Differentiation is a technique which can be used for analyzing the way in which function change. In particular, it measures how rapidly a function is changing at any point. In engineering application, the function may, for example, represent the magnetic field strength of a motor, the voltage across a capacitor, the temperature of a chemical mix, and it is often important to know how quickly the quantity change. There is two types of differentiation, which is first degree differentiation and second degree differentiation. For the first degree differentiation, we use it for find the rate of change of a quantity. Differentiation, also called as derivative of function. It is process of differentiating a function. Second degree differentiation. New function that is formed from the first degree differentiation of a function. Before differentiation is y equal to fx. There is 9 example of function or rules used to find first and second degree differentiation. First is first rule or basic rule. Second, quotient rule. Third, addition and subtraction rule. Fourth, chain rule. 5, composite function. 6, exponential function. 7, product rules. 8, logarithmic function. 9, trigonometric function. Application differentiation in real life. First, to calculate the profit and loss in business using graph. Second, to check the temperature variation. Third, to determine the speed or distance covered, such as mile per hour, kilometer per hour, etc. Fourth, derivatives are used to derive many equations in physics. 5. In the study of seismology, like to find the range of magnitude of the earthquake.
Based on the question, we have y equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 11. First of all, we need to differentiate it with first degree of differentiation. So dy over dx is equal to 6x squared minus 6x minus 12. For the easy answer, we need to factorizing it into x minus 2 and x plus 1. For a stationary point, we need to put dy over dx equal to 0 and take the answer after we factorize it. X minus 2 equal to 0 and we get x equal to 2, and x plus 1 equal to 0 and we get x equal to negative 1. Then we need to substitute the first equation that we get, that 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 11. Next, we need to substitute the x equal to 2 and x equal to negative 1 into the equation. So the first answer we get is negative 9 and the second answer is 18. Therefore, the stationary point is equal to 2, negative 9 and negative 1, 18. For the question B, first step we need to do is make second degree of differentiation. For the first degree of differentiation that we get is 6x squared minus 6x minus 12. For the second degree of differentiation, which is d square y over dx square, we get 12x minus 6. So, at the point x equal to 2, we need to substitute into the new equation, which is 12 times 2 minus 6 equal to 18. And at point x equal to negative 1, we also substitute into the equation and get 12 minus 12 times negative 1 minus 6 equal to negative 18. Conclusion is 18 is greater than 0, which means that it is a minimum point, and while negative 18 is smaller than 0, we know that is maximum point. So for the last coordinate is 2, 18 and negative 1, negative 18.
Okay, the next step is we must to sketch the graph. I will show you and teach you how to sketch the graph step by step. Okay, firstly, we must to do graph with axis y and axis x, and then label the axis y and axis x. After that, you must to what we call it, label the scale at axis x with 2 cm equal 1. Okay, then at the axis y also make the same like axis x. Yeah, but you just need to change the scale, that is 2 cm equal 4. You do like 4, 8, 12, 16 until 20, and then the negative also the same. Okay, as we know, Muhammad Easy has present about how to solve the equation and get the answer, that is x1, x2, y1 and y2. After that, we just need to plot it at our graph, such as when x equal to y equal negative 9. So you just plot it at graph, and when we get x equal negative 1 and y equal 18, so we just plot at quarter 2. And lastly, you just draw the line from maximum points to minimum point. From maximum point is negative 1, 18 to minimum point to negative 9. Okay, thank you. Lastly is the summary that we learned from this topic, that is differentiation. Number 1 is a function is said to be increasing when its gradient is positive and decreasing when the gradient is negative. And number 2, a stationary point occurs on the curve of a function when the gradient at the point is 0. Stationary point can be minimum point, maximum points, or points of inflection. Thank you.